Hey guys, I welcome you in this another tutorial video. In this video, we will talk about operators in Java. And this video can also be referred for the students who are learning C and C++ languages. So for those who don't know me or new here, hey guys, I'm Ujjwal and I make Java tutorial just like this. So if you're into those stuff, then please consider subscribing. So now guys, I hope you all are doing great and ready to learn. So let's kick this video. But first of all, let's go ahead and look at the agenda. Here we have the agenda for the video guys. First of all, we will see why do we need operators, and then we'll see the type of operators. In this, we will discuss every single operator which is available. So guys, we need operators because we use operators to perform operations on variables and values. Operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These four operations are performed using arithmetic operators. As I informed you, there are many types of operators and from all of them, one is arithmetic operator. You'll see other operators in the next slide. So here we have few operators which we will discuss in this particular video. The number one is arithmetic operators, then we have assignment operators, comparison operator and logical operators. Here we have the first operator, that is arithmetic operator. Using arithmetic operator, we can perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. I believe you know first five, and let me tell you about the last two. The increment and decrement means plus plus and minus minus, used to increase or decrease the value of any variable by one. Like if you put like I plus plus, which means you're increasing the value of I by 1, and if you're saying I minus minus, then you're decreasing the value of I by 1. So the next operator available is assignment operator. So guys, assignment operators are used to assign a value to a variable. We have few assignment operators here, so let's go ahead and discuss them. If we write x equals to 5, that's gonna be mean x is equals to 5, which is common. When we write x plus equals to 3, it's gonna be mean x equals to x plus 3. If we say x minus equals to 3, that means x equals to x minus 3. Same as if you say x multiply equals to 3, that's gonna be means x equals to x multiply 3 or x into 3. Let's discuss the last three. That says x and equals to 3, which means x equal to x and 3. Guys, here I want to mention like one more thing. Like we will discuss and or and not operators when we talk about the logical operators. So the next one is x or equals to 3, which means x equals to x or 3, and we say x not equals to 3, which means x equals to x not 3. So the next operator available here is comparison operator. So guys, a comparison operator are used to compare between two values. We have few comparison operators here, so let's go ahead and discuss them. First one we have is equal to. So guys, in programming, while comparing something, we always use two equal instead of one equal. If you want to say x is equals to y, we have to write x equal y. If we say x is not equals to y, we will write x, symbol of not equals, then equal, then y. Not equal symbol we're gonna use as like exclamation mark. Then we have greater than. We will write x, the symbol of greater than, and then y. For the less than, we'll do the same thing. We'll write x, the symbol of less than, and then y. If you want to write that x is greater than or equals to y, we will write x, the symbol of greater than, symbol of equals to y. And at last, if you want to say less than or equals to, then we'll write x, the symbol of less than, equals to, and y. So the last operator which we will discuss in this video will be logical operator. And guys, logical operator are used to determine the logic between variables or values. Here we have few logical operators, so let's go ahead and discuss them. First one we have is logical and. I'm assuming that you have gone through the subject CO, the computer organization, and I'm assuming that there you have learned about logical operators and how they work. So guys, when we have logical and, which means it will return true if both the statements are true. When we talk about logical or, it will write true for you when one statement is true and other is false. If both are false, it will write false for you, or it will return false for you. In the logical NOT, it always reverses the result. If you have false in the result, it will make it true. If you have true, it will make it false.